Mo kwa biombre Ghanaians TV so kopia mu e wo TikTok ye Murtala ni funu de ne wura ba ko papa Ghana for say inzem hunu a wo ka kire eye JB Danquah no abra na wo parliament no ko na wale no kotwa so e wo amoche e wo Asamadu Ghana for the nsem bebre atodwa na ebusua moma yen konsem na nsem Ghana for the atodwa no yen kenkan bi we every ofake or see and today you see your smoothness level very disrespectful man ebusua obekasa asem bent na papa we kasa asem yi yengo tie video a enam so ma ende Ghana for e kasa asem we e de akire Murtala we nya ne baby e de ko.
Yes, it is good to eulogize JB Danquah. It is good to espouse some of the good things he did, and I won't stand here and say he never did anything good, but it's important to appreciate the fact that he betrayed his state. In fact, Martin Marida's book, Mr. Speaker.
He was a traitor. He was a traitor. Sit down.
He was a CIA.
Sit down. Sit down.
Before I walk into this chamber, he described JB Danquah as one of CIA agents who was paid to betray his country. These are not my words. These are not my words. Mr. Speaker, I have a copy. I have a copy of that book in my office.
No way. Are you also a Russian?
He played no role in the building of a Kotomba Dam. Don't attribute something to him. And Mr. Speaker, he also said that JB Danquah died a horrible death. And the Buzia. As a matter of fact,
so share video ni we na so what in some na say enti yen comment section we waste time kra yen tie so Ghana for e ka kire e Murtala Muhammad onya ne baabi eko yen nwa we e fe no Isaac Ado or say you see your end, go and meet him there and explain yourself to him. Or kire mu say Murtala Muhammad awu no onko hia JB Danquah wa Asamadu onko kire nsemu emfa nkire no for Fosbet TV or say the spirit of JB Danquah is working. That's on the ochirema. JB Danquah honhom no bo adwuma de den dia chisebusunya enya asem ketua. Kofi say go and continue the debate there. Ofui o say kona ko continue debate no e wo honom. Na original say see him o say share no. Busuya nsem no enya nsem ketua. Na Ghana for sana motie. Ghana for Ebenezer say asemu Ghana boye is already asanu kwa yanesre yenua be ma chiam no say wow asemu go and debate him over there ochiremu a de be sinenya sie kuna kotwa u debate no so wo Ghana for ebuafu Murtala da comment section mu ayede ebusua muso ma comment section mu enye de wa ha say mufo omoso anamofo omoso ma comment section mu nyede aduma ko Richard say they say we shouldn't talk ill about me Bible suya. They say we shouldn't talk ill about the dead. Now go and ask JB Danquah. Or them say Ghana ya mamre ne kire say obi wo yen kana asem yen kana chi asembone enti sa wo kan say fa JB Danquah ho dia ene ye ko na wone no nkoto aso e wa mochi wo efia GDC go and meet him to debate with him na atazo say ewiase ena so no nso de ochro honom eno no buso yenko Mola or say JB Danquah is waiting for you say JB Danquah is waiting for you say that is salute no neck press no say was the sit down necessary sana no so chiro honom ena na ma so target Charles Opoku no say have you seen this Sam up on also the laughing emoji just say necessary and Buka Kayamaga it didn't go do Buka Kayamaga or say was he happy saying JB Danquah died in a horrible death? Ow, Mr. Honorable, you see you went too far. They say on also the or the buyer and no young consem karma where Kwame Safo say karma of nowadays don't have time crowd. It is sad to hear this from about one of the big six Ghana politics. And that's also the buy, I don't know. Ma Sally say, I hope you went with your lawyer. Hey! Asamadu not let's say or GD on your lawyer and a call Busia with the Yazam Ketua. Ampamda also say the debate will continue in the ghost town. Hey, just say Ebusia in some more comment section. Oh, or the debate will continue or ghost town. Asamadu Honum. And shower boys will say, when you meet him, explain to him why. Hey, Ghana for no be a who that will cooking say. Oh, Debbie. Man, idea. Obiagu, mu cookino. Ya Porsche also say, hey, Ghanaians, we are sad though. There's also the other buy, I don't know. Najib GH say, you don't even need to ask Boot to describe JB. You meet him by tomorrow morning. Hey, hit, Baba. Comment section more there was here for. But you are doing your comment section we are there. Baba now replies, hey. Ebusia just am ketua. Molma also say, I think he will work. I think he will be welcome nicely for a warm discussion. Hey, comment section. Ebusia. Comment section, no think Murtala family sama yuraho. Comment section ni kukino. Ivan say JB Danquah has summoned him to come and remove his mouth. JB is not happy with him a lot. Hey, we are na who ye? We are then oko Asamadu ho. We are then na who ye? Ghana fu mukasa ho. Mama Japan will say, Masa, go and explain to JB. Chese. Ghana for the obi no na wura awokra. Hey, ebusuantino we ensema Ghana for ka a chese ebusuya aye putu wa TikTok in tintan video no so a chese so much them say omo de they don't feel any pity for a minister na chese ebusuya unya ne be ko so much chese say ono no ka say JB Danquah ewu owo tantan owo prison owo ya de a so won so nyakopɔ tua wo ka na wowu ama wofunu ahia inform ho. Ghana for mo yensem me de me first born ebetwa so se me yi NDC ma ebusuya mo yenhwe video yi embra.
If I compromise and sell my party out in an exchange of money on this coming election, may I die and my firstborn die in my place. So help me God. Say, I shall held unto this sword. I make a vow. But if I sell my party out,
that if I sell my party out,
in an exchange of money,
on anything,
Ebusuya after say video we about 2024 no. Ena asedu nketewe national chairman de NDC. Ye friend o P7 Ebusuya say, let us see the NDC for monam ena mukita sekan e kan tam se mu yi NDC ma mo first born enwu. Ankwase asembe ni ti ensema ode tuja.
Na obedi no frewe ni no bra na baka enwu ana bibisa atotwe bi mra ne so
ka video ya share magana ni bia hu se NDC party no ewudi for party a otemeka se mimi yi party ni ma me first born enwu no mutan temeka se ombi nipa nkwa betwa so no ma ba bedi oman so no se mo bedi oman so oman no ebe kwa hohiye mu oman ni nipa bewu no oman no bebre NDC musuo party.